Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 9. Today we'll understand the third learning outcome of OpenOffice Impress. Okay, in earlier video we have completed inserting duplicate slide, inserting new slide. Okay, and now in this particular topic we will understand the slide layout, copying and moving slide, deleting, renaming a slide in presentation. Okay, along with its practical. So let's begin with the help of first of theory part. So first of all we will go to the theory part. Okay, as I show you the last topic we have done, that is how to insert the duplicate slide and new slide. That was the Control M for shortcut for key for that. Okay, and now we are going to understand the slide layout. So as per according theory part, after the inserting new slide, okay, suppose that you have inserted a new slide, then after that layout contain the one or more content box. Okay, each of the content box can be configured to be contain text, movies, images, chart or the tables. Okay, maybe contain some kind of movies, images, text, sometimes chart also that represent the meaningful information for the data and the easily to analysis for that also. Now we can select the icon based on content. Okay student, by the your layout and checking on the corresponding icon that you can do. Okay, want to display an office show in the middle of the content box, which is shown in figure number 5.14. Okay, so here like the table content will be also possible, chart also, video also, and image also. As you can see this particular diagram student, here is a small type of the block will show you. Okay, in which the number of the option and images will represent which type of information can be stored. Okay, so now after that you have to click on one of them that you required, and then after that click on to add. Okay, so we will do the same thing with the help of practical student. Okay, and now till then we are going to theory part. Now copying and moving a slide. Simply as we know how to copy the content, we have to just press Ctrl C for copy and paste Ctrl V, or cut for Ctrl X and paste for Ctrl V. The same thing will do students. So we can just select the particular slide, and then after that we can right click on this, cut or copy, it's up to you, and then after that place the cursor in another place and right click and Ctrl V or right click and placed. Okay, so here is shortcut key also, Control cut, that is Ctrl plus X for cut, Ctrl plus C for copy, and paste for both. Okay, so we will do the same thing student. And now drag and drop the copying and moving method. Sometimes it may be possible student when we are going to just drag the particular slide for moving the particular slide also. Okay, so this is another way to drag that also. We have to just use the control button, press control button, and just after that you can place in your appropriate place where you want the slide. And now after that delete a slide. It is easy to delete the slide. Right click on the particular slide, okay, in a slide view, and then after that you will see delete slide option will be there. You can delete it, or you can directly press the delete button to delete that also. So these are the steps students. Select the slides by marking them and right pane, okay, that is slide view, and right click mouse on the selected slide and select the slide slide option and content menu, and okay, and then after that you can delete that. Okay, and after that we will learn how to renaming a slide. You have to just right click on the slide, and then after that option will come like this. Okay, you have to just select the slide, rename the slide, and you can type your slide name, that is old name slide 2 and new name slide title. Okay, so here we have learned how to do that. So first of all I will open the OpenOffice 4.1.7, okay, to perform the practical of the day. And now we are going to just click on the open option, and then after that you can see our last practical, I would say presentation, we have done duplicate slide. After this you can see this it will ask me, do you want to keep the update style? So I will want old style only. So now you can see that style is also consists by this So the first practical of the day, how to copy and paste the particular slide. So as you know, here are two slides, number 1 containing OpenOffice 4.17, number 2 subpart of Office 4.1.7. so what we are going to do, right click on this student. Now you can see student, cut and copy. There are two options are there. So if I'm going to just copy this so select the copy and then select the appropriate place. I am going to click and third, and then after that you can see paste option. So now you can see in fourth slide number, the first one is going to be copy. Can you see students? Yes, that is good and well. And now we are going to cut that. So I will cut this old one. So right click on this and then press cut button. Okay, and this cut will be definitely stored in a clipboard. That is another application of the operating system, okay, that will store the information, either cut or copy data, until I will paste it. Okay, so I will press escape button to erase the particular clipboard data. Now we are going to understand how to perform the same work with the help of shortcut key. You have to just select the particular slide and then press Ctrl C together. It is Ctrl C, that means a copy in clipboard, and I'm going to just paste after the second, so you have to press Ctrl V. Now you can see in third particular slide number we have same one thing, slide, okay, by using the Ctrl C. And now cut, you have to just select the particular slide number 3, print Ctrl X. Now you can see that particular slide is deleted. I mean to say it is stored in clipboard. If I am going to press escape button, it is erased from the clipboard application also, which is operating system application. Okay, and now we are talking about the next one topic, how to delete a slide. So to delete a slide, I want to delete this particular third slide, which is empty, which is nothing. Right click on this, and now you can see that delete a slide. So if you click on delete slide, the slide will delete. Now you can see in the place of third number of slide, the long term goal has come. In earlier time it was, if I press Ctrl Z, it was blank. Okay, so right click on this and delete the slide, and you can directly delete it by pressing this one thing, delete button. Okay, understand? Now we are going to understand the layout, slide layout. Suppose that if I am going to insert a new slide, so how to insert a new slide, student? Suppose that after this, if I am going to right click and press new slide, now you can see layout pane also show you which one content we are going to insert here. Okay, so here the layout are showing here, number of the layout. Okay, here title only, this one thing, element. So here you can see small box is given here. Okay, this small box actually template for informing that presentation developer, okay, which one want data you want. Suppose that if I am going to insert a particular table, so if I will click on this, it will open a particular number of table, column, this one thing. So I will do one thing as student, I will insert only 2 of 2 column. Now you can see insert it. Okay, or I can do one thing, student, I can undo this one. I can press chart, so it will show me this one chart, that is good and well. Okay, or I will undo it by pressing Ctrl Z. I will click insert picture, click on picture, so it will ask me to open one of the picture that you like. So I want to use this particular picture, and now you can click on it. Now you can see a picture will insert soon. Now you can see a picture inserted in front of you, student, with the help of that particular option. And now again I am going to Ctrl Z. Now this is insert movie. Sometime it may possible you are going to insert the particular movie, I mean to say a clip also, to represent your presentation well and meaningful. Okay, so what I'm going to do, student, I'm going to insert such a particular video that I have created for you also. Okay, class 9th. Okay, now you can see pointing device. Now I will open it. Okay, you can see this particular video will insert here soon. It will take time because it may be a heavier size. That's why you can insert the particular video with the help of this particular link. It will definitely take a time. Okay, now you can see, student, this question mark means it will not play in this particular mode. It will play definitely in slideshow view only. Okay, because it is only design. I am going to delete it. Okay, so we have learned today how to insert a particular slide, how to insert the layout, okay, how to delete a slide, how to copy and paste the slide also. Now we are talking about moving the slide with the help of dragging method. So here we can drag the method by pressing this one thing, and now you can see up this particular this one thing will come as you print here. So you can see number 1 has come here, number 1 has come. So as you will release that particular mouse, okay, you can see this particular slide will come to the down. Same thing, I will click on this, and then after that like this. Okay, so here you have to press hold it, okay, and then move it like this. So you can see order is going to be changed. Okay, student, now we are going to renaming a slide. Right click on this. I think this one was first part, so I am going to keep it in a proper place. So here right click on this. Here will be definitely a rename slide option. So rename slide option will show you slide number 2. So here number 2 will place on this one thing. So I can type here second slide. Okay, now you can see second slide will be name as second slide. You can see here tooltip show me the name of the slide. Here tooltip will show me duplicate slide. This will be show me long term goal. Whatever the slide title will be considered as a slide name. So student, we have understand how to rename a slide also. Now we are talking about the particular copying, moving and deleting their content. Okay, so this will be tomorrow student. I hope you are doing well, and you will complete your homework of the digital presentation. Okay, to say digital documentation and OpenOffice Calc. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.